Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about fitness and becoming healthy by doing simple home exercises. I bring top best home exercises, their benefits, how to do them, which age group can do these exercises, and when to avoid. But before we start our today's video, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon. We shall begin now. Exercise at home is a radiant strategy for staying fit without the issue of going to the gyms. It's almost free to do, proficient, and grants you to accommodate your health normal as shown by your preference. Regardless, it is basic to recognize how to play out these exercises precisely to accept their prizes and avoid likely injuries. Let's discuss these exercises. 1. Push-ups. Benefits: nourish chest, shoulders, back arm muscles, and focus. Further boost chest region persistence. The best strategy to do. 1. Start in a board position with your hands shoulder width aside and feet together. 2. Bottom your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. 3. Push back to the starting position, keeping your middle tight. When to avoid. If you have wrist or shoulder injury, select changed push-ups like stooping down or against a wall. 2. Squats. Benefits: boost lower body powerful, like quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Further develops flexibility and versatility in the hips. The best strategy to do: 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width aside. 2. Bottom your hips back and down like sitting on a seat, keeping your chest up. 3. Return to the starting position. When to avoid: if your knee hurt or injure, attempt limited squats or get help from a real expert for changes. 3. Plank. Benefits: supports the middle, shoulders, and back. Further upgrade position and strength. The best technique to do: 1. Lie face down and prop yourself up on your lower arms and toes. 2. Keep your body in a methodical design from head to heels. 3. Stand firm on this traction, however lengthy you can stay aware of proper construction. When to avoid: if you experience lower back hurt, use changed planks by using your knees. 4. Jump jacks. The benefits? Unbelievable for cardiovascular prosperity and overall body shaping. They help with coordination and determination. Now, how to do them? First, stand with your feet together and arms by your sides. Then, jump and spread your legs while raising your arms above. Return to the starting position and repeat. But you should avoid this exercise if you have joint issues or are recovering from a leg injury. 5. Lunge. The benefits of lunges include building up your legs, glutes, and core. They also further build up balance and coordination. Here's how you do them. Step forward with one foot, lower your hips until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. However, avoid doing lunges if you have knee or ankle problems. 6. Burpees. This full-body exercise creates power and endurance, and it burns a large amount of calories. Here's the best way to do them. Start in a standing position. Drop into a squat, place your hands on the ground, and kick your feet back into a plank position. Return to the squat position, then jump vigorously. But remember, avoid burpees if you have back, knee, or wrist issues. Yoga offers numerous benefits. It further develops flexibility, balance, and mental focus. It also diminishes pressure and improves overall health. The best strategy to start is with novice-friendly poses like the downward dog or child's pose. Consistently increase the complexity as you become more comfortable. However, avoid practicing yoga if you have specific conditions like herniated discs without consulting a specialist. The exercises we will discuss are suitable for all age groups and can be performed by everyone. However, the intensity and modifications should be tailored to individual fitness levels, age, and any pre-existing conditions. This is how each group can approach these exercises. For children and youths, focus on proper form and moderate intensity to avoid strain. Exercises like jumping jacks, planks, and light yoga are perfect for building coordination and flexibility. For young adults, aged 18 to 35, these exercises can be performed at higher intensities, including burpees and push-ups, to build strength and endurance. Adding resistance, such as weights, can further enhance results. For middle-aged adults aged 36 to 55, the focus should be on maintaining flexibility and strength. Moderate intensity squats, lunges, and planks are great for preserving mobility. For seniors, aged 55 and above, prioritize low-impact variations of exercises, such as wall push-ups, seated squats, and light yoga. Always consult a healthcare professional or trainer if unsure about the safety of any exercise. Men and women can use these exercises to foster muscle strength, endurance, and cardiovascular health. Adding resistance bands or weights can also challenge the muscles. For women, these exercises are significant for boosting strength, toning, and flexibility. Exercises like yoga and lunges can further improve posture and stability, especially post-pregnancy. Here are some general tips. First, always start with a warm-up to prevent injury. Second, finish your sessions with stretching to relax muscles. Third, stay hydrated before, during, and after your workout. And lastly, perform these exercises 3 to 5 times a week for optimal results. There are times when you should avoid home exercises. If you have injuries, stop exercises that aggravate them. If you are ill, avoid strenuous activity when feeling unwell or fatigued. And if you've had a recent operation, consult an expert before resuming exercises. By incorporating these home exercises into your daily routine and following proper guidelines, you can achieve a healthier and more active lifestyle from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please share it with others, comment, and like. See you soon with another informative health topic. Until then, stay healthy.